My day starts early. Beep beep. My alarm clock rings. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes. I feel sleepy. Very sleepy. I turn off the alarm. The room is quiet again. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I stretch my arms and my legs. Ah, that feels good. I love to stretch in the morning. It helps me wake up. I get out of bed. The floor is a little cold. I make my bed. A neat bed makes the room look nice. I like a clean room. It makes me feel calm. My mother always says, a tidy room helps you have a tidy mind. I think she is right. I feel fresh and ready for the day. Now I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water. It feels so refreshing. I brush my teeth up and down, side to side. Brushing my teeth is important. I want a healthy smile. Then I take a quick shower. The warm water makes me feel relaxed and clean. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I say, today is a new day. Today will be a good day. It's my little secret to start the day with a happy feeling. I put on my school clothes, a white shirt and a blue skirt, my school uniform. I am ready. I feel calm and grateful for this new morning. I go to the kitchen. I can smell something delicious. My mother is making breakfast. Good morning, Mum, I say. Good morning, sweetie, she says with a warm smile. We eat breakfast together. Today we have toast, a boiled egg, and some fresh orange juice. A simple breakfast, but it is my favorite. We talk while we eat. My mother asks me, are you ready for your math test today? I say, yes. I studied hard. She tells me, just do your best. That's all that matters. Her words always make me feel better. I feel thankful for my mum. I feel thankful for our time together in the morning. After breakfast, it is time to go to school. I put on my shoes and grab my school bag. Goodbye, Mum. Have a good day. I say, you too, dear. Be careful, she replies. I close the door and start my walk to school. The street is quiet. The morning sun is soft and warm. I look at the blue sky. It is so beautiful. I love this peaceful walk. It helps me think and feel calm before school starts. Soon I see my friend Sarah. She is waiting for me at the corner. Hi, she says with a big smile. Hi, Sarah. How are you? I ask. We walk to school together. We talk about our favorite songs and the movie we watched last weekend. School starts at 8 o'clock. My first class is English. I like English class. We read interesting stories. Then I have math. Math is a little difficult for me, but my teacher is very kind. He helps me when I don't understand. I am not afraid to ask questions. Asking questions is how we learn. At 12 o'clock, it is lunchtime. My friends and I sit together in the schoolyard. We eat our lunch and talk. We laugh a lot. We talk about our dreams. I want to be a writer. Sarah wants to be a doctor. We dream about our future. It feels exciting. School is not just about classes. It's about friends and dreams too. School ends at 3 o'clock. I walk back home. I feel a little tired but happy. When I get home, I take a short rest. I just sit on my bed and listen to quiet music. It helps me relax. After my rest, I do my homework. I finish my math problems and write a short story for English class. Sometimes homework is hard, but I never give up. I just take a break if I need to. When my homework is done, I have free time. I love to read books. Today I read a book about adventures in the mountains. Reading takes me to a different world. Sometimes I draw or help my mother in the kitchen. Helping her makes me feel happy and responsible. In the evening, my father comes home from work. We have dinner together as a family. My father tells us about his day. I tell them about my day at school. We share our stories. Dinner time is family time. I feel so loved and safe. After dinner, I get my school bag ready for tomorrow. I check my books and my pencil case. Then I take another warm shower. I change into my soft pajamas. They are so comfortable. Before I sleep, I like to sit in my bed and write in my diary. I write about my day. I write about my feelings. Today, I write, "Today was a good day. I learned new things in school. I had fun with my friends. I feel grateful." Writing helps me think about my day. It makes me feel calm and happy. Now it is time to sleep. I turn off the light. The room is dark and quiet. I close my eyes. I think about all the good things from today. I feel peaceful. I am ready to rest and dream. Before we finish, let's learn a few new words from my story. First, routine. A routine is the usual way you do things. For example, my morning routine is to wake up, wash my face, and eat breakfast. Next, grateful. Grateful means feeling thankful. I am grateful for my family. Then, confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself. After studying, I feel confident about the test. Another word is relaxed. Relaxed means feeling calm and not worried. Listening to music helps me feel relaxed. And responsible. Responsible means you can be trusted to do things well. Doing my homework makes me feel responsible. A good phrase is give up. To give up means to stop trying. The math problem was hard, but I did not give up. And take a break. To take a break means to stop an activity for a short time. When I am tired, I take a break from studying. Every day is simple, but every day teaches me something new. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed my story. Follow for more simple English stories. See you next time.